Just after the light. So we've got ideas today to get kitted furniture, but you can see this is what we have problems with pigeons. I like to start gathering up on this rooftop in the morning, south facing, and they, believe it or not, just sit there and enjoy warming up. Trick that we use, if you can see this, but we've got little, be careful you don't hit people's windows, but that. So, it's another little trick of ours. See, you don't like, you see the green dot. Just to use just after the first light, or even in the dark. Residents here all know that we use this. You can see, look, they really don't like it. Don't just turn up and start waving this around. The residents know that we're here and that we're going to be using this in the mornings. And it's another thing that we use as part of our armoury to move on these pigeons. As you can see, there's quite a lot of them up there. They go again, again, let's see. This is all literally caused this little dot. And what we then do is, once they're nicely, see how they're all dispersing now all over the place. So then now what we do start doing is we turn up again and we start flying the hawks around and we unsettle them even further. And we just use this and so many different little methods just to unsettle these birds. See, every time they get comfortable, so they're gone again. With the use of this, it obviously doesn't work on bright sunny days, but it's ideal for just after first light or in warehouses and stuff. As you see, the pigeons really don't like it. Obviously they take flight, and then once we start using dialing over here, not many pigeons left around. So you see that rooftop is completely clear now. And every time they turn up again, off they go. You move them on again. You move them on. See? Eventually, keep doing this often enough, these birds soon clear off. You know, they realise it's not safe. They think, right, there's hawks, there's flashing lights that are spooking us, and they do. They move on. Which in turn keeps all these balconies all fresh, all nice and clean. Free from nests, all free from eggs, all from smells, flies, all the other things that are associated with pigeons, bird mites that get into the buildings. So yeah, little insight to what we get up to. Have a nice day.